Come on, Laddu, hurry up, please.
Yes. Today PT period is going to be super fun. Let's go.
Laugh all you want now, kids. Tomorrow you'll be crying. I am about to capture this entire school. I will go boo, and you kids will go boo. Flies! My dear children, I have got a secret I'd like to share with you all today. From the lot of you, I am going to pick just one who will be a Little Singham's assistant for a day. But where is dear Little Singham?
Mr. Minister, I don't think I need an assistant.
Oh yes, you do, Little Singham. I am keen that all the kids learn to be brave like you, so that in Mirchi Nagar we have many more Little Singhams. Wow. Won't that be awesome? And my reputation will be intact. And now I shall call out the name of the winner of the Little Singham assistant contest. And the winner is
Laddu!
Of course, it had to be me. How could Laddu not win a Little Singham contest? That's next to impossible.
You have smashed my mood.
Sorry, Mr. Minister. I was just...
Congratulations on your new assistant, Little Singham. I'm taking Kavya and Karate with me on some important work.
Sure, Mr. Minister.
Little Singham, we'll be back tomorrow. Look after yourself.
Oh, madam, don't stress. Little Singham can look after himself. Know what I'm saying?
How times have changed. People are beating up their ministers. Very bad.
Well, shall we get to work, dear assistant?
First, I will put the teachers to sleep, and then I will make the children weep.
Who threw this ball here?
Huh? Wow! Hey, Little Singham, bro. You have installed a TV in the police station to watch movies? Huh?
No, Laddu. We use it to watch the news. And in case there's police needed anywhere, then we go immediately.
What an amazing idea that is, boss. Come, let's have a snack while we look out for thieves.
And now, we go across live to the Mirchi Nagar school, where it appears the Jungly Joker has attacked the school.
This school will now be run by me, Jungly Joker. I won't be teaching. I will only go boo, and the kids will go boo. Hey, Little Singham, I have got a nice fun game I have prepared just for you. If you wanna play, then come to school.
Laddu, Chicky, get ready. Now only a lion can put an end to this Joker circus. Laddu, you wait right here. It could be dangerous for you up ahead.
No, I will go with you. This is my school and all my friends are in there. And by the way, Little Singham, haven't I learned from you that you must face challenges like a lion?
Very well. As you wish, Laddu. Huh?
Little Singham!
Huh? Bubbly, how did you manage to get out?
As soon as Jungly Joker got distracted, I took my chance and ran out of there.
My best friend Ajay is in there too. I'm going to beat up this Jungly Joker and make ketchup of him and eat him with my dhokla.
It's not so easy, Laddu. He's a very clever clown. We'll have to be very alert.
Singham is come to school, but now he won't be able to get out of here. Now, if you have plans to defeat me, you will have to play my game and win against me. Then you can save your precious friends.
Hey, Joker! The only answer I have for you and your ridiculous request is my punch.
Oh dear, dear. You are getting all excited already. It looks like I will have to start the game right away. You will have to throw 100 balls into that basket. Only then will the door open. And your time, my dear boy, starts now.
This way we'll never be able to throw 100 balls. Bubbly, Lattu, Chicky, throw all the balls towards me as fast as you can. Come on!
Here you go, little Singham!
Game is in the library. Let's see you win that one.
I have this fear of studies to begin with. Now looking at all these books, I feel like I'm going to faint. Really?
It's easy to find your way to the second door. Watch out for the books or say goodbye forever. Remember, you have got only 1 minute and your time starts now.
Yeah, Mr. Joker, this is as easy as eating my yummy midday snack.
Lattu, be careful! Everyone stay together. You'll have to run faster, friends, or we're done for! Run quick! A lion doesn't give up so easily, my friends. Our friends, what has happened to them?
Little Singham, maybe you won the first 2 games, but this last one is impossible for you to win. Because after making the kids cry, my power has increased.
Huh?
But first, say hello to your friends. Good children, there are some new toys for you. Go play with them. For the sake of winning, would you harm your precious friends?
Don't harm them. This is just one of his tricks. He has put all of them under a spell.
Little Singham, you go handle the Joker. We'll take care of the children.
But what is your plan?
Arara, I haven't even thought of one. Hey, Montu, I'm your friend, remember? And this little red berry on your nose makes you look so cute. Cutie, cutie. Bubbly, Chicky, try and get that red berry off their noses. Once that berry is off, they will all be absolutely fine.
So you have saved the children. But who is going to save you, little Singham? Look behind you, pussycat!
Ata, Maji, Satakli. Punch attack! I must say you were an efficient assistant, Lattu. And you too, Bubbly. Don't worry, Chicky. You'll always be my favorite assistant, okay? So, friends, we all know a lion you can never tame. So when the Joker invited Little Singham to play, he beat him hollow at his own game.
Wow, wow, your punchlines are deadlier than your punches.